This is how we put away the dishes every night. So the first thing is do some music. Music usually helps. Any music will work.
Yeah.
And then so here we go. Play Kids Bop Kids.
This is Kids Bop Kids from Spotify.
Okay. I usually just play a playlist. I like Kids Bop Kids. It's just a bunch of songs that I like. Just a bunch of like most favorite kids songs put together in a playlist. They do copy it, but it's still okay. Oh, they also you want to make sure the stuff is clean.
Yeah.
But stuff like this, that it's you could. I've washed it about 5 times. It won't come off.
But like this is like clean because you can see like this was around it.
People know what clean is. Okay.
See, like
No. But stuff like this is especially hot. It still is.
yeah, and you can bake it if you
I think everyone knows that glass can break. This is for like adults. Okay. This is now it's turned into a no talk video. No. That just like exploded in my face. One way it's soft and no way it's soft. Hey, no. Also, you could stack stuff. Usually that helps if you don't have any room.
If there's like anything you have this try don't really like putting where you hold it don't hold it where this close to where the salt photo.
Yeah, and also if there's any kids that their parents watch this video and want to make them do the dishes, here's a warning. For adults, you'll probably have to put away all the knives and sharp things before they do it. So, but otherwise, I mean, I've been doing it since I was 5. But you gotta make sure they know where everything goes. And they can reach it.
Yeah.
That's a big thing.
Yeah,
You can use a stool.
yeah.
Usually that worked for me until I could reach the glass stuff. Which I still do have problems with.
Oh, and if you don't know
where something goes, you could just ask an adult, or if you are the adult, just put it wherever you want.
yeah, because and the stuff who goes in special spots and you won't know, you could ask your parents. You wouldn't You would already know if you were the parent.
Alright, first row done.
Wait, see these scissors? Make sure and hold it. Where, like, at this. Hold, wait, be careful because you can maybe cut yourself when you
Also,
holding them.
this is for something for the kids. If you see something fast that goes too high up, just ask an adult. Or if it's something that it go like you can barely reach it, like you have to stay on your tippy toes, just avoid it, because if you do somehow like slip or anything, it will come down crashing. But usually you're fine. But
Yeah, if you do like have like a
stuff like that, if you're little, then I would avoid it.
Yeah, but if you have like a stool, you could probably use that.
Yeah, and also this is if you've been doing it for a while, well, and you just want it to be a little easier, and you probably know where everything goes, and you can put it away easier. And also big stuff you want to avoid. If it's too heavy, then you can't carry it. I would put it, like, let the adults do it, but usually it's not too heavy. And sometimes there's stuff like that you can just wipe off. It won't leave any marks or anything. But and I think everyone knows you put the silverware in the correct slot. If you have like things like stuff like that, you want to make sure the little spoons and big spoons, they're cold. You're not putting like.
But if all of the silverwares are in
Like these spoons in this spoon pile,